It was the year 2068. Humans had
கம் உடையார் அறிவிலர் என்றெண்ணி கடக்க கருதவும் வேண்டா. மடைத்தலையில் ஓடுமின் ஓட ஒரு மீன் வருமளவும் வாடியிருக்குமாம் கொக்கு, வாடியிருக்குமாம் கொக்கு.
Start.
Good afternoon everyone. I am S. Danyasti. I am studying 5th standard. Today I read about English Unit 1 Exploring Space. Earth, the destroyed home. It was the year 2068. Humans had destroyed the Earth and started colonizing the red planet Mars. India is the world established their colonies. Three colonies. Ariyumadi's family lived in one such colony. On her birthday, her grandfather travelled more than 1,500 kilometers to meet her. When he reached, he saw
ஆரோக்கியத்தை தருகிறது. To reward the farmer with wealth.
the year 2068. Humans the year 2068.